Hello one and all, I'm Perno Benedetto, also known to some as Perno Mancuso, private arms dealer back in 1899. Let's talk about what Red Dead Roleplay actually is, shall we? Role-playing in this franchise is simply picking up a character name, small backstory, and a general concept of stepping out of your day-to-day mentality to form another. What I mean by this is when you start playing on a server, whether it's serious or casual RP, your mentality is going to have to be in character. Now, this may sound intimidating to some, but it's really not that hard. Pick something that you always wanted to be, closely related to you and easy to remember, or something that you could have been. These are just some starting points to use when creating a character as well. Next, download the RedM Platform and start checking out servers. If you're interested in the one that I play on, and may even catch my character in, check out my installation guide on the Dakota River Bend Casual RP server. Links will be in the description. I hope this was helpful to anybody that has heard of, never heard of, or considering checking out the world of Red Dead Redemption Roleplay. If you're interested in educational videos related to the Dakota Riverbend server, or have liked what you've heard here, check out the rest of our channel and socials. Links will be in the description.